Thanks for joining us today at Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Chrysler Town & Country in black with a black cloth interior and seating for 7. This 4-door minivan has a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Just here is your power button for your rear window. The driver enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Just here you have your lighting controls, and off to the side of the steering wheel you have power pedals. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel you have hands-free dialing, dash control, as well as cruise control. To the left on the other side you have your media tuner, and on the right you have volume controls. I'm going to start the vehicle up for you. On the dash is where you'll see any important messages. You have fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip info, vehicle info, messages, units, system setup, and these all have submenus. You have media controls of AM, FM, satellite radio. You also have a DVD player if you press this button here, as well as CD. Press it again and it will go back to its original position. You also have volume and your auxiliary line in. You will also see your rear backup camera here. Just below that you have your dual climate control with AC. You also have a heated steering wheel, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. You have front and rear defrost as well. You have economy, your hazard lights, 115-volt power, and your traction control. Just below that, a Blu-ray DVD player. You have plenty of storage with 12 volts, a couple of cup holders, even more storage, a locking glove compartment. Just above there, you have another bin. You have an auto-dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. Off to the side you have your garage door opener, as well as your power sliding rear doors, your power opening gate, as well as a little mirror here to see what's going on in the back. And when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click and it will let in light and air. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle, driver's side fuel cap. The back hatch has a spoiler as well as a rear windshield wiper. Just below the O in town is your backup camera. The view is on the inside. When you're ready to open up, you can either do so from the inside or double click your key fob. It'll chime and let you know it is opening for you. The inside is nice and roomy and also carpeted. I folded down the one side of the third row to show you how it looks. You have bins off to the left, a seatbelt clip for the third row middle seat up above. Off to the right you have your flashlight, as well as a couple clips. When you're ready to close it up, you have handles on both the right and left. You could click your key fob again or click this little button. It'll chime to let you know it is now securely closing. You can lock it up and walk away or head out on your latest adventure. The rear door powers open. The second row has seating for 2 with a captain's split. They also stow away for your convenience. I flipped the one forward to show you into the third row. The third row has seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. They also fold down to enlarge the cargo space. The third row has plenty of storage as well as cup holders. You have auxiliary line in, AV, 12-volt, USB, and a 115-volt. Up above, vents and hooks, as well as lighting control and a DVD player. The second row also has handles, as well as vents, lighting controls, a DVD player with remote control, and climate controls. In the door, cup holder, and on the back of the front seat you have a little bit of storage, as well as headsets. Privacy glass, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.